Hi everybody, it's Hildy at Kalunga 2126. Today I'm coming with you with a quick video share. And it's of my stick pin holder. I finally made a stick pin holder. What I would do is, I have this mason jar that a friend of mine gave me, Joanne, and I would stick them all in here, so it would be like a whole bunch just pouring over this jar. So now it's my goodie jar. But anyway, what I did is, I got a can. As you can see, it's a can. Hold on, let me turn it around better. It's a can, and it's of the cans that you buy for tuna, or the potted meat, or the chicken that you can mash up and put mayonnaise, whatever. But it's the can, and you know, you get the can opener that doesn't leave the jagged edges. So what I did is, with the lace that my mother gave me, it's a a ribbon plus a lace. Also, she gave me the pearls. I put the pearls all the way around the silver pearls. The gray flower, I got that from Trico at the dollar store. The white flower, and this is actually a white flower just to stress the edges in blue. And I put blue here, white here, blue here, you know, just to make it a little different. And I wanted something for my stick pins. So this is what I have for now. See if I can get closer so you can kind of see. You know, I've been adding a little more and more to my stick pins. And this is just a quick video share again of my stick pin holder. And what I did is the little glass rocks or balls, whatever you want to call them, from the dollar store, I hot glued them underneath. So you can see I hot glued them underneath, and that's what created my stand. So this is my stick pin holder. Yay, finally got one. Let's see if I can zoom in some more. Okay, sorry for the moving around, but this is my stick pin holder. Let me know what you think, and thank you for coming to my channel. And how you zoom out? Oh Jesus, okay, there you go. Let me know what you think, and thank you for coming to my channel. Leave a comment and come again, and much love, Hildy.